All of our timber is ethically sourced, so your frames are being made sustainably. Even though you can't see it, our quality continues below the fabric. We use solid hardwood rails and only ever use hardwood feet. We sculpt the curves and shapes of our furniture from quality timber rather than flimsy cardboard. To make sure our frames fit perfectly, we use skilled craftsmen and the latest CNC technology. We assemble using dowels and screws. This attention to detail means our frames are stronger and last a lot longer when compared to others.